I brought one walking stick today, and I'm liking to bring the sticks, although here I don't need it as much because this is all flat. There's really no boulders to walk over on this trail, but I still bring it because it can also be used for protection. So I like this area more, and I feel more secured here, where in Albuquerque along the Rio Grande it's really doesn't feel safe to me because there's a lot of different kind of people. But out here, the reason a lot of people don't come to this area is because here, well, you have a chance of running into coyotes, and they can be lethal. So if it's not one thing, it's another. But out here, mostly it's a lot of bikers. This thing is really dead. I don't know if it'll come back this year. It's so dry. And there's really no water in the river. This is a beautiful area when it's green. It's like a tunnel of bushes. I don't know what these guys are. Here's some two riders, so I'll move to the side. And wait for them to pass. Hello. Hey, take care.
Thank you.
It's another bike. Yep. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Even though this is dead out here, still I find this beautiful. Oh, whole bunch.
Hello.
Hi. I just get out of the way when the bikes come. I remember when I used to do biking. Or mountain biking when I was younger. And it was always stressful to get right next to a person that doesn't know how to stay away from the trail. I don't know. Oh, there's some horses coming through. Okay. I'll ask him if I can take a picture. I love the horses and the riders.
Oh, good.
Yeah, these are awesome animals.
Have a good day.
Take care. Beautiful. Although I don't want to touch it too much. Thank you.
He's checking out your stick.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, my Fitbit watch died. It only lasted a year and 2 months. And then it decided not to charge anymore. So now I'm using another phone app to keep track of my hiking miles, but it's not going to be the same. I think the Fitbit watch was really awesome because it keep track of everything. My heart rate, blood pressure, keep track of how many steps I was doing per day. And last year, 12 months after I got it, he told me I had done 800 miles of walking or hiking in the last 12 months. So I knew I walk a lot, but I didn't realize it was that much. But if I did the math, it's actually a little bit under. Because if I go 3-4 times a week walking or hiking somewhere, and usually my walks are 3 to 6 miles round trip, is the average, then it should have been more like 1,100 miles in a year, in 12 months. There are times when I'm taking a shower, I take it off, and then sometimes I forget to put it back on. So at those times it's not measuring, but I do like the watch, especially when I'm hiking inclines, because I like to see where my heart rate is at when I'm hiking the mountains. And usually, even when I'm doing high inclines, we tried a 2,000 feet incline of a hike, and by 1,400 feet I had to quit. I couldn't take it anymore. But it wasn't really the heart rate. My heart rate, even climbing that altitude, was really 115, which is really good for me, I think. Well, for an old guy. But the problem was that day I didn't have enough electrolytes, and I did not carry electrolyte powders with me, so I couldn't add it to the water. And when you're on a ketogenic diet, in a carnivore diet, you need the electrolytes because they can go low in a hurry. They can go low through pee or through sweat. I'm gonna go now on this trail heading east toward the river.